Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a basic website, and we are going to start by creating a GitHub repo and then opening it in Visual Studio, and then modifying it in Visual Studio, and then showing you how to look at the website through Visual Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and start with GitHub and create a repo. So I'm going to log in, and I'm going to hit new for a new repo, and I'm going to name this basic website and make sure it's public. I'm going to check add a readme because it makes the whole process a little bit easier, and I'm going to click on create repository. Now what this does is this actually creates a repository complete and ready to go. I just need to go up here. I can do, if I have SSH, I can use SSH, otherwise HTTPS will work, and I can basically copy this, and I can go to my terminal, and I want to put this in a folder in my home directory called repos. So if I do pwd, when I first open on my terminal, you can see that it has I'm in the users Tim. That means I'm in the home directory. Also, this little squiggly here means I'm in the home directory. And then if I go cd to change directory to repos, it's a folder that I created that I put all my GitHub repos in. And then if I type ls, you'll see I've got a few things in here. But I'm going to do git clone, and then I'm going to paste the, I'm going to, why is that not working? Let's go back over here. Did I not copy it? Maybe I need to try copying that again. So over here, there it goes. I just didn't copy it right. Okay, so git clone, and okay, so now if I, oops, that does something, cause that to accidentally fat fingered something. All right, so now if I go ls, you can see that basic website is there. So if I cd basic website, and if I do ls here to list, you see that it just has a readme in it. So now I'm ready to go. Now from the terminal I'm fine. Now I'm ready to go to Visual Studio. So now I'm going to open up Visual Studio, and from here, I'm not in this repo, I'm in a different repo. So if I go into File, and then I can do Open or Open Folder. Open will usually take me into the folder of the repo that I'm currently in. Now on Windows, it's going to look like, on Mac, it's going to look like this. Windows, it'll look slightly different. As you can see the repos folder. This is the home directory, and this is the folder that I'm in, the GitHub repo that I'm in right now. And if I don't see something like this, I can go down to, or if I'm on like a Windows or something, I can go down to My Computer, which is similar here. The corresponding folder is Macbook Pro. It could be named Computer or My Computer on Windows, but I'm going to go ahead and select this just to show you what that would look like. If I go here, I'm going to have a hard drive or a C drive type of folder. I select that, and there's going to be a folder called Users inside there. And that user is going to have a folder that's named the same thing as my username, and that's going to be my home folder. So if I click in that, there you'll see my repos folder. So I'm going to go ahead and go in there, and then that's where I put my basic website. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click open. It asks me if I trust them. I do trust them because they are me, the authors of this, and so yes, I trust the authors. Now I'm in here, and I can click on this icon right here, which stands for create a file. And so new file will make me a file inside of my basic website. So I'm going to name this index.html. I'm going to hit enter. And so now I'm going to cheat a little bit and just kind of show you by copying and pasting the text, the content of this. This is very standard, very easy to do. Basically, you have this doc type HTML, which is required at the beginning of every website, that web page. And then you have the HTML tag, which opens here and closes here. This slash here means it's closed. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. This slash right here means it's closing the tag. This doesn't have a slash, so it's opening. Every one of these tags, the angle brackets is, the name of the tag is inside angle brackets. And then between these two, between this and this, is where you put any content for the website. So we have a header called Hello World, and then we have, with the title of Hello World, and then we have the body of the website. This is what's going to show on your web page. This is what's going to show in the this bar right here. So if we now we're already ready to look at this website. So if I go over here and I hit this run and debug, and I hit this play button, oh, it tells me to select which one I should select. So I want to select the web app called Chrome. And that's the web app that I'm running. And now it's showing this file is opened up, and it's saying this is a heading and Hello World. So if you can see Hello World at the top, and you can see here it says this is heading, that's my header, and Hello World is in a P tag. This is H1 is a big is the largest header or heading tab that you can put, and the P stands for paragraph, and this is just a regular text size. So now there's a lot of ways you can modify this, the way it looks by something called CSS, but this is a basic website right here. So and shows you how to actually open it using Visual Studio to check whether what you've written is correct. Thank you.